middle of nowhere.
The road's in good shape, actually. Usually it's really bumpy.
Wow. Welcome campus. Hi guys, it's another day. We arrived late last night, and when I say late, I'm saying like 12:30 and almost like 1 a.m. last night. So on arrival, I just had to like pack things up and like, set up the cabin that we got. Anyways, it is 9:30 a.m. in the morning, and I have just woken up and I've had breakfast. I will show you what I had for breakfast. I had eggs, bacon, bread, orange juice, and coffee. Coffee is always a staple. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick tour of the apartment, of the cabin, and show you guys. So yeah, this is the entrance door when you come in. I mean, it is not really like a fancy thing because we're literally in the middle of nowhere. But it is nice that we're able to have the necessities, like the air conditioner. We have the heater. Because it was so cold last night. It was as cold as 51 degrees. I think it was as low as like 49 degrees last night. So it was freezing cold. So yeah, let me show you guys the apartment. Okay. So when you come in, there is a TV and the TV stand. This is the window. And then this is a cute little like sitting room. Don't mind the phone holder showing here. It's yeah, I don't know, I can avoid that. Right, this is the small tiny sitting room that we have, and then we have a television that's basically just showing I think it's cable TV. Yeah, True Crime Network. Honestly, like at the comfort of our home, we're not really able to calm down and watch like true crime stories because you're focused on watching like Netflix and the likes. But coming out here and like just waking up this morning and turning on the TV and watching like the true crime stories, I'm just like, wow, this is what we miss when we're out there in the real world and just doing our thing. But anyways, this is a cute little kitchen. This is a coffee machine. That's a toaster. These are like stuff that we brought when we came. These are already clean dishes from the breakfast that we made, and I have some leftover orange juice. If you open the counter, you would find basic things that you need to like set up yourself. That one's empty. On here there's plates. The next one has glasses and like some plates as well. This has pots and pans, 2 packs of bread. Right in the tiny little fridge, I already packed it with like food stuff, beer and wine, stuff that we need for the next couple of days. And then this is our tiny little dining table. So now let's go inside. This is the place where you're supposed to come and brush your teeth. Has a small wash hand basin and like a small cupboard in there. This is the door to the back of the yard. I have not opened this. I only opened the louvers this morning. And then let's take a look at the shower. Now, it's a tiny little shower. That's the water closet. Turn on the light. Yay! Right. So, I mean, it's quite small. It's not the perfect shower, but it's something that, you could just manage. And I mean, we're here for like only the weekend, so that's pretty much very manageable. If you look from the back here, you'd see like other campers. Yeah, but no. Okay, this is the bedroom. It's a bit messy because of course a night was spent here. You have clothes hangers down there, if you can see. And then, but I just basically laid out all my stuff here just so I have like easy access. These are like storage options. If you have more stuff, another storage option. And there's also an air conditioner as well as a heater, right? And then there's a cute little frame there. So guys, the floor is pretty much made. I mean, it can be noisy when you're stepping. It's like you're tramping on stuff, but that's good. And now we're going outside. We're able to park right in front of the cabin that we rented, and then there's other people who are camping, and this is my small little area. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of our little cabin for our stay. Up next for me for my day, I mean, I'm going to be spending the next 2 days here, so I literally like came packed with some activities. If you followed from the start of the video, I said I would be doing some photo shoots, but surprisingly a brand sent me a product before we left the house, and to be honest, this product is such an amazing product. This is a ShizLegit resin, and it is made into servings of capsule. So I'm going to be sitting here. I don't have a book and barrier, but I was able to get an envelope from the car and tore that open. So I'm working on like the script for the video so I can send it to the brand for approval. You know, the life of a content creator, we make content and we share to the brand, and then they approve, and then they pay us, and then we can make the content go live. So I'll be working on that right now, and as soon as I get on my next activity, I would be sure to carry you guys along. So if you're just joining us, welcome to Journey with Gideon. On this channel, I'm taking you guys on a journey with me, like everywhere that I'm going and everything that I'm doing, showing you guys what my life is like. Yeah, so please subscribe, and if you do like this video and like the content, we are currently live at Camp Mars, one of Florida's best gay camping destination. It is my first time coming here, and over here we listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't judge. So stay glued, guys. Out here, surrounded by the wisdom of nature, I am reminded of its power to heal, transform, and nourish. What if you could bottle the power and take it with you every day? Introducing the world's first pure Himalayan ShizLegit resin in capsules. Just nature's purest essence, hand harvested from the highest peak, no taste, no hassle. Packed with clarity, energy, and calm, this dietary supplement is as resilient and nutrient dense as the mountains it is sourced from. Wild, mature, and clean, it is the perfect partner to unleash your best potential. Vegan, gluten-free, and GMP certified. Every capsule is independently tested for purity and safety, because when you trust nature, the best will do. And now, my mind feels clearer, my energy lasts longer, and I feel a calm strength. This is so funny. I always have my atarudo anywhere I'm going to. So I'm going to add some of this rodo to my steak.
been